Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the right editor, Pixlr E for layers and precise control, or Pixlr X for fast adjustments. Once chosen, open your image by clicking Open Image or simply dragging the file into the window. Make sure the canvas size and resolution match your final use, 72 ppi for web, 300 ppi for print. Next, check image orientation and crop if needed. This first cleanup saves time later. Now you're ready to build edits with clear, organized layers. You'll work primarily with layers and selections now because they let you edit non-destructively and experiment freely. Create a new layer for every major change. Rename and reorder so you don't get lost. Use marquee, lasso, or magic wand to isolate areas and feather edges slightly for natural blends. Apply adjustment layers, levels, curves, hue/saturation, rather than editing pixels directly. This lets you tweak intensity later. Once done, use blend modes and opacity to integrate edits smoothly into the image. You wrap up by preparing the file for its destination. Go to File, Save, pick JPG for compressed photos, PNG for transparency, or PSD to keep layers intact. Choose quality. 70 to 85% balances size and fidelity for web, while 100% is best for print or archives. Before final export, flatten only if you must, otherwise keep a layered PSD. If colors look off after export, check the color profile and make sure you're using sRGB for online use. Then re-export.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.